About 3 years ago, I bought a new garbage disposal because my old one locked up. And I just ran to Home Depot or one of the big box stores. Maybe it was Lowe's, I don't remember. And I bought something, it was about $80, put it in, it lasted fine until the other day. Now, it's been about 3 years ago, maybe it was 4 years ago. I'll show you what happened to the thing and what I'm fixing to do to fix what I bought just a couple of years ago. The point is, don't buy on the cheap, get something that's worth the money. So I spent a couple extra bucks and I bought something a little bit better. I hope it lasts me a little bit longer. I'll show you what's going on. Just turn the water on. I did some research online, some reviews about garbage disposers. You know, it's not a very interesting subject. However, there's plenty of videos out there. And I came up with this. This is the Legend series. This is a Waste King 8000. It's a 1 horsepower. It's supposed to be quiet. It's got a lifetime warranty on it. Actually, it's supposed to come to your house and fix it if something's wrong with it. So I'm gonna have to make sure that I fill all that warranty stuff out. Alright, but that's what I wound up buying. I don't remember, it was 120 bucks maybe from Amazon. 2 days later, it came in the mail. Now it's time to install it. So let's take a look. We're really going to take a look. Alright. This is an official unboxing. We're not simulating this. This is actually real. I'll pull this guy out. Set this over here. I have a little rubber mat so I don't scratch up my comics. Okay. Alright. There it is. Plastic over here. It's actually, you can see it's nicely encased in plastic. It does, first thing I noticed, it comes with a cord. Right? That one in there, it didn't. I had to actually, hook up wires. I'm like, oh, what is that? You just plug the thing in. I can understand if I don't understand. All right? Just sell something you can plug in. All right? So this one has that. All right? If you look on the back side of it, you got the output. This is where the water comes out and goes into your pipes. This here is the nipple from your dishwasher. Right? So if you have a dishwasher, wastewater comes out of the dishwasher into this thing. So if you have any solids from your dishwasher, it'll run through your garbage disposal, not into the sink. So into the pipe. So that's a good thing. And normally the last one that I put in, and I'm not a plumber, nor do I play one on TV. The last one I had to punch it out inside because it was sealed. Because some folks don't have dishwashers, so I can understand that. And this one is the same thing, so I got to punch that little button out in there because I do have a dishwasher. So it's got a little tab here. Do some clockwise to unlock it. I did notice right away it comes with a removable food catch thing. All right, it's plastic, it's not steel, but all right. So that's that. What else we got here? The jam saw. Okay, this is the pipe. It's got a little rubber gasket right here. Alright, don't worry about no plumber's putty. This goes here. Alright. There's the flange for it with the 2 screws. I'll have to get, it's got a flathead screwdriver, but I'll get a wrench. What else we got in here? Goodies. Sink stop. Good. And that's it. Now also I noticed that it's got all the flanges here, and this is rubber here. So it's basically, the only thing you really need on this one is a screwdriver, and we're good to go. Well, let's install, we gotta remove the old one first. That's gonna be joyful. And then we'll install this one and get this thing going. Here are the tools that I'm going to use with it. It's real simple. Got a regular big screwdriver, and that's just primarily for prying and moving the plastic pipes around. Got nut drivers. This size here will fit this here. That goes with the flange. It's a lot easier than a flat tip screwdriver, which I got. All right. Also, I'm going to use the cross tip screwdriver as a pry bar, basically, for here. All right. And that's it. And then I got another for the hose clamps, because you got a hose clamp for the dishwasher side, and you got another hose clamp for the wastewater side. So that's primarily it. It's a pretty simple job. Instruction manual, which I did read. It's pretty informative. It's straightforward stuff. And some plumber's putty if I need it. I'm going to try to use rubber flanges. Well, we'll see. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it. And that gray cord runs to the old, see how it's got that little flange in there? All right. Well, I'm going to unplug it, and then I'm going to start disassembling it. There is I just got to twist that thing, and that goes for the actual wastewater. Those are the two screws for the flange. It's quite straightforward. Above that, if I can get at it, and the lighting is kind of poor. Let me redo the light. Is for the dishwasher. That's the input for the dishwasher, and it's just a hose clamp. No big deal. All right. And then right above that is the flange. You see that? And I'll just unlock that, spin it, and then the whole unit will drop out. In theory. Next, I'm going to disconnect this from the garbage disposer, and then loosen that up, and I'm going to take this trap off from here. That'll free that unit up. Pretty simple, straightforward stuff. Just there, same deal here. We're going to have some water in here because that's the trap. It keeps the sewer gases and stuff there. All right. Now I'm going to disconnect the input. See how that nut driver fits right on there? From the dishwasher. A little twistage. There it is. Just kind of push that out of the way. Don't need to remove the hose clamp. Okay, last but not least is this ring. So I'm going to take this screwdriver here and I'm going to jam it in here, and all I'm going to do is turn it. You see how the ring is turning? And I'm going to use my other hand. I'm going to grab the bottom of the disposer and support it, and it should come right off. Here we go. Drum solo, please. There it is. Just a regular flat screwdriver. I have to go on my back and do the reverse left elbow technique and just counterclockwise. Actually, nope. I'll try this one. There we go. Okay. I don't believe I gotta undo them all the way. And then the last one, which is the closest to me, okay, and then here's this little flange ring. I know you can't see it from your vantage point. However, you got a better vantage point than I do. And I just unclip this ring, do some ring unclippage. There we go. Come on, ringage. There it goes. Another brilliant engineering design. And then this should just pop right out from the inside. The new one doesn't have this wonderful engineering. The new one has it more simplistic.